So today we're reviewing the PMA barrel vise. This thing is beefy. I mean, it's made of billet aluminum. And what is great about this barrel vise is you can use it for different size barrels. For instance, if you have a thinner, like a sporter barrel, see here, you could turn this around and it would fit sporter barrels. Great addition to anyone who wants their barrels removed. I think this tool is going to last a very, very long time. It is beefy. The hardware is grade 8. And it is made in USA. So check them out. PMA tool barrel vise. I believe it's about $100 for the tool. So not that expensive. A good investment if you're gonna be replacing barrels all the time. Of course, in my case, I'm gonna have to put it on a bench and tighten, drill it down. But that'll be later, and in a future video that I will be using this, and we'll see how it does. So, okay.